Hey everyone, as I'm here looking over my French stuff, I know it's been a minute since I posted. There's so much stuff that has been going on since I came back from France last year, and I literally came back, jumped right into the pan, the hustle and bustle, which I hate, but part of that hustle and bustle is that I am moving back to live permanently this September. So I'm going through the process, and it kind of officially just started. So I do have a video that I am going to upload really soon in regards to everything that I have done so far to start my visa process to go back to France to live, and I will post that soon. I also have some footage I'll be posting in regards to all the stuff I have to figure out, packing, selling, giving away. So please subscribe, hit the notifications button, and I promise you, this is just a short to kind of let you guys know what's coming up, but I promise you I will do better at uploading videos, hopefully on a weekly basis, bi-weekly, so every couple of weeks, in regards to the process. So those of you that are interested in knowing what you actually have to do when you are moving, packing up, and leaving everything behind here in the United States to live abroad, what it is that you guys have to do. So please share and subscribe, and I will check you guys later. A bientôt.